Well, I guess it opened my eyes wider to this industry and this field because before it was mostly about just saving energy, but now we know that the building design itself is very important in reducing energy usage and increasing energy efficiency.
Well, as far as the experience goes, this type of work is something that really interests me. I love architecture and building and the engineering aspect of it, as well as tying in efficient ways to build and really thinking about the big picture of the building.
I was hoping to be a chemical engineer, and so working with these different materials, material science is something that I'm really interested in. And I wish I would have been able to go more into depth on the different structures of these, different molecular structures of these materials. We weren't able to, but I realized that does matter when you're building something as big as a gym.
Officials would be interested in seeing what we have done, and not sure how convinced the school would be to change their buildings, but I think we could try to make a point.
We realized that we couldn't initiate large changes in the very beginning, so we started with one idea was in our school, in the new building, every room has a smart board. It's a whiteboard that has to connect to power to work, and we found that is plugged in all the time, but teachers only use it for a couple hours a day. So our first suggestion was for teachers individually to plug them out when they don't need it, and that's where we started talking with our administrators to improve energy use and energy efficiencies. I don't remember the calculations off the top of my head, but we did do some initial analysis. We haven't initiated an entire building-wide change, but we did do local changes within a day, and the reduction was pretty significant. During those times, usually when the level is pretty high, there's a pretty significant drop. Increasing awareness for energy usage would help reduce plug loads. Not plugging in things when you don't need it is sort of ideal.
I think, especially in the Silicon Valley, like there's a really rising awareness of the environment, and so what I feel like could make a lot of students want to join this competition is really playing on that sustainability factor, and because everybody knows in the future sustainable buildings they're going to be important, and so what really attracted me, and I hope could attract a lot of other students, just showing them that these are skills that you're going to be using in the future. So it's great to dabble in them right now.